Hi, let us now study the derivative. Okay? Let us first consider these 5 formula in differential calculus. The derivative of any constant or any number is equal to 0. The derivative of u plus b, sum of u plus b, that is equal to the derivative of u with respect to x plus the derivative of v with respect to x. Now, the derivative of ub is simply equal to v times the derivative of u with respect to x plus u times the derivative of b with respect to x. The derivative of a quotient ub, u over b, it is equal to v du over dx minus u dv over dx all over v squared. Okay? And lastly, we have the derivative of u to the n. It is equal to n times u raised to n minus 1. Let us differentiate the following function. Y is equal to 2x cubed minus 7x plus 3. So y prime or dy dx is equal to, using the chain rule, this will become 6x squared. And this is minus 7. The derivative of 3 is 0. So this is your final answer, 6x squared minus 7. Y is equal to x to the fourth plus x cubed plus 5x plus 7. So y prime or dy dx is equal to 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5. And the derivative of 7 is 0. So this is your final answer. Next, we have here y is equal to 5x raised to negative 2 plus x raised to negative 3. Okay, what is the derivative of this? Y prime or dy dx, y prime is the same as dy dx, is equal to negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. X raised to negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Okay, plus x to the negative 3, you're going to bring down negative 3, and this is negative 3. X raised to negative 3 minus 1, that is negative 4. Okay, positive times negative, that is negative. So, finally, we have here negative 10 over x raised to 3 and minus 3 over x raised to 4. Can you follow? That is our final answer. Okay, we have here y is equal to 3 over x minus 5 over x squared. We'll be using the quotient formula. But since this is constant, the numerator is constant, then y prime for this is equal to negative c, the constant, and then dv dx all over b squared. That is the formula we're going to use since the numerators are constant. Okay, let us apply that. Okay, now we have negative 3. Okay, dv dx, the derivative of the denominator is 1. Okay, divided by b squared or x squared this time. Okay, minus negative 5 times the derivative of x squared, which is 2x all over v squared. So this will become x raised to 4. Okay, finally we have negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 over x squared. Negative times negative is positive 10, right? We have here x and x raised to 4. So plus 10 over x raised to 3. That is the final answer. Can you follow? Okay. For next example, we have here y is equal to 3 over t squared plus 1. This can be solved as y prime equal to negative 3 times the derivative of the denominator, which is 2t, alright, divided by the square of the denominator. So we have here t squared plus 1 closed quantity squared, which is finally equal to negative 3 times 2t, you have negative 6t divided by the quantity t squared plus 1 closed quantity squared. Okay, so that is your final answer. Okay, next we have here y is equal to x squared plus 1 divided by x squared minus 1. Okay, y prime now is equal to x squared minus 1 times the derivative of x squared plus 1, which is 2x, minus x squared plus 1 times the derivative of the denominator, which is also 2x. Okay, all divided by v squared, which is x squared minus 1 closed quantity squared. Okay, so distributing this, 2x times x squared, you have 2x cubed. Negative 1 times 2x, negative 2x. Okay, dito naman, we have here negative x squared times 2x, have negative 2x cubed. Negative times positive 1 is negative 1 times 2x, that is negative 2x. And we're going to copy the denominator. X squared minus 1 closed quantity squared. Finally, we have here 2x cubed and negative 2x cubed. That is cancelled. Negative 2x minus 2x is negative 4x divided by x squared minus 1 closed quantity squared. That is your final answer. Can you follow? Okay. Thank you.